Hello, student. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today we are going to solve short and long answer questions related to the enemy. This is chapter 4 in your Vistas book. This chapter is very important for your examination. So let's continue. Question number 1. How did Dr. Sadao and his wife face the situation after their servants left them? डॉक्टर सदाओ और उसकी वाइफ ने जब उनके नौकर छोड़ के चले जाते हैं टॉम की वजह से, उस अमेरिकन प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर की वजह से, तो कैसे वो डील करते हैं? आफ्टर देयर सर्वेंट्स लेफ्ट देम, हाना, डॉक्टर सदाओ's wife, did all the housework by herself. She also took care of her children and, in absence of any other option, looked after the American soldier as well. As for Sadao, he was apprehensive that the servants might report the presence of the prisoner at their home. Next question. Apart from treating a fellow human being, for what other reason did Dr. Sadao decide to operate on the wounded American soldier? क्या वजह रही कि एक फेलो ह्यूमन बीइंग के अलावा और कौन सी रीजन थी जो डॉक्टर सदाओ उस प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर, उस अमेरिकन सोल्जर को ऑपरेट करते हैं? डॉक्टर सदाओ वॉज अ स्किल्ड सर्जन एंड अ डेडिकेटेड डॉक्टर. When a seriously wounded American soldier was spotted by him, Sadao knew he had to operate or else he would die. His professional ethics urged Sadao to help the wounded man, irrespective of who he was. The theme of racism is reflected in the story. Give example. इसमें इस लेसन में रेसिज्म के बारे में बात की गई है. एग्जाम्पल्स के साथ बताना है. The theme of racism is reflected in the story in several ways. Because of the stress of Sadao's father and purity of race and traditionalism, Sadao did not start a relationship with Hana until he was sure that she had been pure in her race. Yumi refused to touch the American or wash him before the operation. Moreover, when he left, she cleaned the guest room thoroughly to get the white man's smell out of it. Sadao has strong feelings against white people. Both Sadao and Hana felt that Americans were racists. What did Dr. Sadao do to help Tom escape to freedom? डॉक्टर सदाओ टॉम को बचाने के लिए क्या करता है? डॉक्टर सदाओ knew that the wounded American prisoner of war Tom could be arrested any time, so he decided to help him in escaping. He decided to give his private boat equipped with food and clothes. Tom could row it to a little island not far from the coast. Nobody lived there. In this way, he could escape to freedom using a Korean fishing boat. Next one. Why did the messenger come to Dr. Sadao? What did Hana think about it? मैसेंजर डॉक्टर सदाओ के पास क्यों आता है और हाना उसके बारे में क्या सोचती है? When an official in uniform knocked at her door, Hannah thought that her husband was being summoned because the servants had told the authorities about the American prisoner of war. To her relief, Sadao was being called to the palace to treat the ailing general, General Takima. In what context does Hannah remember General Takima? What does she infer? जनरल तकीमा के बारे में क्या सोचती है वो? While giving anesthesia to the young soldier as Sadao operated on him, Hannah wondered if the stories of torture of prisoner of wars were true. She then remembered how General Takima ruthlessly beat his wife. Hannah deduced that if General Takima could be so cruel to his wife, he could be extremely cruel to a prisoner as well. The deep red scars on the white man's neck confirmed her apprehension. How did Dr. Sadao ensure that the American soldier left his house but he himself remained safe and secure? डॉक्टर सदाओ ये इस बात को कैसे इंश्योर करते हैं कि अमेरिकन प्रिजनर ऑफ वार उसका घर छोड़ के चला गया और वो खुद सेफ हो गया? डॉक्टर सदाओ was a Japanese surgeon. After treating an American war prisoner, he informed the general, as a true Japanese, about the soldier. But as a doctor, he saved his life by providing him right treatment and helping him escape in the darkness of the night. Why did Hannah wash the wounded soldier herself? क्यों आखिर उसके घाव को साफ करती है? Hannah, wife of Dr. Sadao, washed the wounds of the American prisoner of war herself because the domestic servants refused to do it, as he was from an enemy country. They all showed loud defiance against the man. क्योंकि सबने मना कर दिया, यूमी ने मना कर दिया, मजबूरी थी उसकी खुद धोना. How does the writer indicate that Dr. Sadao's father was a very traditional and conventional man? राइटर क्या बताने की कोशिश करता है सदाओ के फादर के बारे में कि वो ट्रेडिशनल और कन्वेंशनल था, बड़ा ही रूढ़िवादी था, परंपरावादी था. Dr. Sadao's father was a very traditional and conventional man. He believed that the islands in the distance were the stepping stones to Japan's future. He was a quiet man. He never joked nor played with his son. His father was stern but cared a lot for his future. He believed in traditional and arranged marriages. He was proud of his nation and never used foreign goods. Everything in his room was made in Japan. He did not sit on a chair or sleep on a bed and rather slept on a mat. What help did Dr. Sadao seek from Hana while operating the wounded white man? क्या मदद मांगता है वो हाना से? Dr. Sadao asked Hana to fetch towels. He asked her to help him turn the wounded man and asked her to administer an anesthetic to the wounded white man if required. He also instructed her to soak cotton with anesthetic and hold it near his nostrils. What forced Dr. Sadao to be impatient and irritable with his patient? ऐसी क्या वजह हुई कि वो impatient हो गया, irritable हो गया? Sadao heard Hana vomiting in the garden. The distress and inability to go out to her at once made him impatient and irritable with his patient. उसकी वाइफ बाहर उल्टियाँ कर रही थी, लेकिन वो पेशेंट को छोड़ के नहीं जान सकता था. He was faced with dilemma of whether he was doing the right thing in treating the patient who had caused so much inconvenience. How did Hannah react when she saw a messenger at the door in official uniform? क्या रिएक्शन होता है जब एक मैसेंजर आता है ऑफिशियल यूनिफॉर्म में? The servants of the household had left in protest. Hannah was working hard to do things at home, mostly because she was not used to working at home. When she saw the messenger in official uniform, her hands became weak and she could not breathe freely. She thought the servants must have already told the Japanese army about the enemy sheltered in their house. She felt helpless and afraid. Why does Dr. Sadao mutter the words my friend? डॉक्टर सदाओ जब किसी भी पेशेंट का ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं, ऑपरेशन करते हैं, तो उसको अपना फ्रेंड बुलाते हैं. वाइल ट्रीटिंग द अमेरिकन प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर, व्हाट इज आयरनिकल अबाउट हिज वर्ड्स? इसमें आयरनिकल क्या है? डॉक्टर सदाओ वॉज यूज टू एड्रेसिंग पेशेंट्स एज फ्रेंड्स. Therefore, he utters the words my friend while treating the American prisoner of war. However, it was ironical since the patient was from an enemy nation. What role did the American professor play in bringing Hana and Sadao together? हाना और सदाओ को साथ लाने में अमेरिकन प्रोफेसर का क्या रोल था? The American professor and his wife were kind people. They were anxious to do something for their few foreign students, so they invited them over. But their rooms were quite small. The food was very bad. The professor was a dull person while his wife was a silly, talkative woman. At the professor's house, he met Hana, fell in love with her, and eventually married her. तो वहीं उनकी मुलाकात होती है और बाद में जापान में आकर दोनों शादी कर लेते. What was Sadao's father's dream for him? How did Sadao realize it? सदाओ के पिताजी क्या चाहते थे सदाओ बने? What was his father's chief concern about Dr. Sadao? Sadao's education was his father's chief concern. He realized it when he was sent to America at the age of 22 to learn all he could of surgery and medicine. Finally, he became an eminent surgeon and scientist. His father was able to see him become a doctor before dying. और वो 30 ईयर की एज में वापस आता है. वेयर हैड डॉक्टर सदाव फर्स्ट मेट हिज वाइफ? कहाँ मुलाकात होती है हाना से उसकी पहली बार? वट हैड बीन हिज इनिशियल रिएक्शन? पहली पहली बार उसका क्या रिएक्शन होता है? डॉक्टर सदाव मेट हिज वाइफ फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन अमेरिका एट प्रोफेसर हार्लीज हाउस. He waited to fall in love with her as he wanted to be sure whether she was a Japanese or not. लेकिन उसको प्रेम करना वो तभी शुरू नहीं करता जब तक श्योर नहीं हो जाता कि वो जापानीज है. Now long answer questions. Till now we are discussing short answer questions. Now long answer questions. Dr. Sadao was a patriotic Japanese as well as a dedicated surgeon. How could he honor both the values? Or what impression do you form about Dr. Sadao as a man and a surgeon on your reading the chapter The Enemy? क्या इम्प्रेशन आपका बनता है, आप उसके बारे में क्या विचार रखते हैं ये पढ़ने के बाद एज अ सर्जन as well as a man. Dr. Sadao was a true Japanese, no doubt. He was obedient and loved the Japanese tradition and culture. He waited for his father's approval for marrying Hana, a girl he loved. He cared deeply for his family. Dr. Sadao was an eminent surgeon as well as a scientist. He was the on call doctor for General Takima. Sadao truly believed in his professional ethics and hence ends up harboring an injured prisoner of war. He faces a lot of difficulties at home from his wife and servants, but still decides not to forego his professional duties. With great risk to his life and his position in the society, he nurses him and cares for him to the best of his abilities. Next question. How did Dr. Sadao overcome the difficulty that came in his way to save the wounded soldier? How did Hana help her husband? कैसे हाना ने अपने हस्बैंड की हेल्प की? उसको क्या समस्याएं हुई? Dr. Sadao faced a dilemma. Should he use his surgical skills to save the life of wounded person or hand an escaped American prisoner of war over to the Japanese police? How did he resolve this clash of values? कैसे इन दोनों में वो सामंजस्य बनाता है? Dr. Sadao was an expert surgeon. He was living in a house near the beach with his family. He was very generous and loyal to his country. His wife was a sympathetic, kind, obedient, and loving woman. While standing outside their house, they saw something crawl on the beach. They rushed and found that he was a wounded prisoner of war. Initially, the couple contemplated throwing the prisoner of war back into sea. पहले दोनों ये डिसाइड करते हैं कि उसको वापस से सी में फेंक देंगे. But both of them did not have the heart for it. Also, the prisoner would have died if he was handed over to the police. As a doctor, Sadao was trained to save a life if he could. Seeing him badly wounded, the doctor and his wife brought him home for treatment. It was a big risk. Even the servants were against him. Resolute, Dr. Sadao performed the operation while his wife Hana helped him every step of the way. Putting her emotions aside, she washes the prisoner, cooks for him, and assists during the surgery as well. There was a great risk of Dr. Sadao being arrested for harboring a prisoner of war. Being loyal to his nation, he confided everything into the general and was ready to face the consequences. The general assured to help him and get rid of the man but forgot to send his men. At last, Dr. Sadao arranged for a boat, food, and clothing to send the prisoner to the nearby island. He suggested the American to board a Korean fishing boat and get away to safety. What explains the attitude of the general in the matter of enemy soldier? Was it human consideration, lack of national loyalty, dereliction of duty, or simply self absorption? क्या था ये? ह्यूमन कंसिडरेशन था, लैक ऑफ नेशनल लॉयल्टी था, डिरिलिक्शन ऑफ ड्यूटी था या फिर सिंपली सेल्फ एब्जॉर्प्शन था? Dr. Sadao, when faced with dilemma, decided to save the life of a wounded prisoner of war. But out of his loyalty to his nation, he ends up confiding into the general and prepares himself for the consequences. The general, who was quite ill at the moment, knows the relevance of a skilled surgeon such as Dr. Sadao. He pardons Sadao, promising to help him get rid of the American prisoner quietly, sending his assassins. Later, it turns out that the general had forgot about this promise, claiming that he was too self absorbed by his ill health. This may not suggest lack of loyalty towards his nation, but it does show dereliction of duty on the general's part, along with his self absorption. Since he did not hesitate before offering to send his private assassins to kill the American, it could not be inferred that he had any humanly feelings or considerations toward the prisoner either. Why did Dr. Sadao help the American soldier to escape? How did he do it? क्यों मदद करता है अमेरिकन सोल्जर की भागने में और कैसे करता है? Dr. Sadao was sheltering an enemy in his house with the general aware of the fact it was no more a secret. जनरल अब जान चुका था, अब ये सीक्रेट नहीं रहा था. Even after promising, when the general failed to send assassins to get rid of the American prisoner, worried Sadao decided to take the matter into his own hands. He decided to put his boat on the shore that night with food, bottled water, and clothing plus two quilts. The man was to row to the little island not far from the coast. The island was uninhabited. The man would be safe there till a Korean fishing boat passed by. Sadao even gave him a flashlight along with some instructions. If his food ran out before catching a boat, He had to signal twice at sunset. If everything was all right and he was still there, he was to signal once. Sadao was finally able to sleep peacefully once he realized that the prisoner was back to safety and that the general was in the palm of his hand due to his own carelessness. Dr. Sadao was compelled by his duty as a doctor to help the enemy soldier. What made Hana, his wife, sympathize with him in the face of open defiance from the domestic staff? ऐसा क्या हुआ कि जब सब लोग मना कर देते हैं, उसकी वाइफ उसके साथ होती है, सिंपथी रखती है. When a skilled Japanese surgeon, Dr. Sadao, and his wife Hana found a wounded prisoner of war near the shore, they decided to take him in. Dr. Sadao, although in dilemma, decided to operate on the wounded as he felt compelled by his duties as a doctor. His wife Hana, who was a kind, considerate, and supportive, also helped him in every way possible. When the servants expressed open defiance, she stood her ground as their mistress. She helped Sadao by washing the American prisoner and assisted with the anesthetic too. For the prisoner's recovery, Hana cooked him meals and even felt concerned when she saw traces of what could have been torture by the Japanese military. Out of her kindness, she even hoped that it was not torture that had scarred the youngster. Hana appears to be a strong, resolute, and generous woman throughout the story. She undoubtedly was the support system for her husband, Sadao. Now, the last question: good human values are far above any other value system. How did Dr. Sadao succeed as a doctor as well as a patriot? Dr. Sadao had a harmonious blending of his profession and patriotism in him, though he suffered from a dilemma and acted more as a doctor. After he encountered Tom, the American prisoner of war, nationalism was ingrained in Dr. Sadao, and that made him return home to serve his country and marry a Japanese as his father wished him to. His own experience in America had been unpleasant because of racial bias. However, when he found a wounded prisoner of war, he put his duty foremost, even though he knew he could be prosecuted for this. He saved Tom's life twice. For a short period, he was conflicted and even confided into the general. But when he figured that the general may not be sending his assassins, he decided to put Tom on a boat with food and clothing to row to a little island nearby and wait patiently to board a Korean fishing boat to escape. Things happened as planned, leaving Dr. Sadao in a state of bewilderment as to why he saved the life of an American enemy. Perhaps it is the doctor who dominated the patriot in him. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching.